I-ANC yavumelana ngokusungula ikhomishana ebhekele ubuqotho bamalungu eqembu engqungqutheleni yokukhetha ubuholi yango-2012. Kwakulindeleke ukuthi ibhekane nokungayiphathi kahle kwamalungu, kepha ngenxa yokuthi izincomo zayo ayibophi umuntu, umsebenzi wayo awubonakali. Le khomishana yaphakamisa ukuthi unobhala jikelele we-ANC, u-Ace Magashule, kufanele ashenxe kulesikhundla njengoba kusaqhubeka icala lakhe lenkohlakalo.
We have already agreed in the last NEC and many others that we've held in the past that we must finalize the terms of reference that govern and guide the work of the Integrity Commission. There were drafts coming before the National Executive Committee for consideration. The National Executive Committee will now more fully look into those and be able to take a decision.
Kuzophinde kudingidwe udaba lophiko lwentsha olusakhungethwe yinkinga.
Of course, there will be an update on issues that have got to do with the ANC Youth League as it relates to finalizing those young men and women who will have to come and steer the ship in the National Youth Task Team.
Lomhlangano uzophinde usetshenziswe njengethuba lokunxenxa amalungu eqembu ukuba asebenzisane nekhomishana ephenya izinhlelo zokugwamandwa kwamandla ombuso. Umengameli uRamaphosa kulindeleke ukuba avele kule khomishana ngenyanga ezayo, kanti kungenzeka leli qembu liphumele obala ngokuthi limephi odabeni lombango oqhubekayo phakathi kwalowo abengumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma kanye nalesicawu.
There's been that assurance that his actions must never in any way be perceived or understood to be a direct undermine of the Constitution. He had said himself that they have got to do with the presiding officer, in this instance, the Deputy Chief Justice. He has raised it. It is not the ANC that is saying that. The ANC will continue to persuade its members to appear before the Deputy Chief Justice or the Commission on State Capture when so invited.
Kusenjalo i-ANC izobhungana ngobudlelwane bayo namaqembu ayingxenye yomfelandawonye wayo ikhosathu kanye ne-SACP ngemva kokubamba imihlangano embalwa nawo ngesonto eledlule.